three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, ma'am. Namaste. Jai Sadguru. Jai Sadguru. Sit down. How are you? I am fine, teacher. Did you finish your homework? I am finished, teacher. Bring me the notebook. Let me check. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Keep it up. Thank you, ma'am. I see you tomorrow. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, students. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, ma'am. Namaste. Jai Sadguru. Good morning. Sit down. Ram, please stand up. Did you show marks to parents? What did I say? Yes, ma'am, I did. My mom said that is a good. Sit down. Did you all get sign the school diary? No, ma'am. What is the reason? My parents not at home as that is my uncle yesterday. It's okay, sit down. So tomorrow you are inside. Open your English textbook and tell me first poem. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku chiku chiku, chiku chiku chiku, fruit salad, fruit salad, apple mango, apple mango, banana, banana, chiku chiku chiku, chiku chiku chiku, fruit salad, fruit salad. Very good, student. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.